Now, let's mention one of the most important things to know in the SQL, which is SQL constraints. What are the constraints in SQL? The constraints will be applied for the columns in the table. These constraints are not null, which is responsible to mention or to say that this column can't accept a null value, and we have the default, and this is to define the default value for the column. So if we have a student ID and we don't want to insert the student ID by our command, and we need to be inserted by default, so we can set the default value for this column. And we have the primary key. The primary key means that the column will not accept null, and also this column can't be duplicated in the table. So if the student ID is a primary key, in this case the student ID can't be null and also can't be duplicated. So I can't have two students in the same table with the same ID. Foreign key. Foreign key will be mapped with a primary key in another table. And the last one is the unique key. Unique key is like the primary key, but the primary key can't accept null value, and the unique key can accept null value, and this is the difference. So if the column is unique, this means that the column can't be duplicated, the value of this column can't be duplicated in the table, and also the unique column can accept null value. And we will understand this better in the project session.